Intro, Motor Cars Reviews. Welcome to Motor Cars Reviews, your trusted source for honest and detailed bike insights. Today, we're exploring the all-new BMW R12, a perfect blend of classic design and modern performance. Design and styling. The BMW R12 carries the spirit of vintage roadsters, with a low stance, wide tank, and round headlamp that gives it a pure retro vibe. The chrome accents and exposed twin-cylinder boxer engine make it a visual treat for motorcycle enthusiasts. It's a bike that turns heads wherever it goes. Engine and performance. Under the tank, the R12 features a 1,170 cubic centimeters air/oil-cooled boxer engine, delivering around 95 horsepower. The torque-rich performance provides smooth acceleration and confident highway cruising. BMW's precision engineering ensures a balance between power and control for both city and long rides. Comfort and handling. The riding position is relaxed yet commanding, with a comfortable seat and wide handlebars. The R12's suspension setup, featuring a telescopic front fork and paralever rear, offers impressive stability. Combined with its lightweight frame, the bike feels agile while maintaining a solid road presence. Technology and features. Despite its vintage appearance, the BMW R12 includes advanced tech such as ABS, traction control, and multiple riding modes. The minimalist digital display blends perfectly with its retro look, giving riders all essential information without clutter. Verdict. The BMW R12 is a motorcycle that celebrates timeless design while delivering modern-day performance and safety. It's ideal for riders who appreciate classic aesthetics but don't want to compromise on technology or ride quality. Outro. Thanks for tuning in to Motor Cars Reviews. If you love motorcycles that combine history with innovation, the BMW R12 deserves your attention.